Hello and welcome to Naturally Corporate. I thank you so much for choosing this video. So today I'm styling with sponge rollers. I'm using just a few sponge rollers and some mousse. And if you've never tried sponge rollers, they're really easy to use. I encourage you to give them a try if you've never used them before. So my hair is just in some simple plaits. I think I shampooed about 2 days prior. I blow dried it very lightly and then just plaited it up. And this was just my way of keeping my hair stretched out. I could have also put it in a ponytail or even a bun to keep it stretched, but I chose plaits. I bought my rollers from the beauty supply store and they're really inexpensive. This pack of 8 extra large was only 99 cents and I bought 6 packs to make sure I had enough. My mousse of choice is by Canvas Beauty. This is the Awakening Halo Curl Defining Mousse. So to get started, it's really simple. Just section your hair the way you plan to wear it. I do like a side part, so I'm just getting that part together and clipping my hair out of the way. My number one tip for using sponge rollers is just to make sure that your hair is really smooth before you wrap it around the roller. And this will ensure you just get a nicer, sleeker curl. So part your hair, smooth it, apply your styler, in this case mousse, and apply your sponge roller. And I just like to work that mousse in to make sure all the hair in the section gets some love, and then I smooth it some more with my brush. I'm using a detangling brush, but a fine tooth comb or even a regular bristle brush works just as well. I do want to tell you one more thing and then I'll hush and just let you watch. Okay, so sponge rollers come in a variety of sizes, and the size I'm using for this video is somewhere in the middle. They come smaller and they do come a little bit larger. Also, look out for the satin lined sponge rollers. Those are actually my favorite. I was out of them and I actually just picked these up that I'm using today, kind of by mistake. I thought they had satin lined on them, but the satin lined rollers I use for a nice loose flowy curl style in a previous video. I'll link that video in the description section below this video, just in case you want to check that out. The curls were so nice and pretty. The satin lining on the rollers just provides a nice barrier between your hair and the sponge or the foam and helps your hair retain whatever moisture is already in it. I left my rollers in overnight. And yes, in case you were wondering, they were so comfortable. I mean, they're sponge, so naturally they're soft. With sponge rollers, you don't have to worry about waking up with a stiff neck or with sore spots in your head from where the roller was pressing on your scalp or digging in. You will not get that with sponge rollers. I don't know of any other rollers besides sponge rollers that are comfortable to sleep in. Not even flexi rods. Those are not comfortable to me, but sponge rollers, thumbs up. I think sponge rollers have made a comeback in recent years, and it's clear why. I mean, look, they give you a world of curls. The curl payoff from just a few sponge rollers is out of this world. And depending on how you maintain your hair at night, you can even get a couple of days wear from just one sponge roller set. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.